welcome to my channel, you guys. I'm so excited because this is video numero either dos or tres, just depending on if I got the other one uploaded. I already got my eyes done and I already have my brows ready. So today is going to be a canvas video and I'm trying out different techniques for my foundation. So guys, without further ado, we're going to get started.
So I'm just taking my orange corrector concealer as usual, and I am putting that over my dark marks, post-acne marks, hyperpigmentation, just to ensure that it doesn't show up under my foundation. If you have any spots that you need correcting and you're lighter skinned than me, you can use a pink or even a salmon colored corrector and it'll do the same job. So after placing it on your spots, you're just going to want to blend it in really good and pat it into your skin.
One of the foundations that I'm going to be reviewing slash first impressions is the Shameless foundation by Marc Jacobs, and I should have a box for that. So yes, I have a sample that I got from Sephora for the Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. Jackie. My son loves Jackie, I know you guys. Anyway, Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. And I got the shade Deep Y500. And I don't know whether that's a match or not, but we're going to find out today. Just shake it up in this little tube. This is what the sample looks like. And then I'm going to squeeze that out. Oh my gosh, that's a lot more foundation than I thought it was. Okay, so this might be more than one use. This might be a few uses. I squeezed way too much out. But we're going to go ahead and try it out. Here's my first take. Ooh. So right off the bat, I know this is not my shade, or at least it's not my winter shade. It's very red. It's very red. It's way too red for me. Way too red for me, but I'm just gonna keep going because this actual formula is bomb.com. This formula is the truth. The formula is almost gel-like to me. It, you know, it kind of reminds me of the Dewy Smooth Maybelline that I tried, which color and everything. This is much too red for me, you guys. But I hope you can see the consistency of this formula. It looks absolutely amazing. Like, it looks like my skin if it were redder, if it were more red and more tan. And it's just this beautiful, like, luminous, radiant, glowy look. So I really enjoy that. I really like that.
So now I am taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand, placing it in all of the areas I want to highlight. I am applying this thicker than I normally would because I'm trying to correct the darkness of the foundation and the redness of the foundation. And sometimes you can correct that using your concealer if it's lighter and more yellow, which mine is. And I'm just using a beauty blender that is damp with rose water, and I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm just taking my Mercier setting powder as usual and setting all of my highlighted places.
Doing Sunday service, Easter speeches always made me nervous, and now my sermons heard over the globe like a pastor speaking in your mega churches. I powerball, make mega millions, all for my kids and my children's children. Materialism can't take it with you, boy. Only your soul is worth the weight in gold. Only the strong survive till they get old. Then it's time to meet your maker. So, what they say when you get to the pearly gates? Open sesame or to the gates of hell. You wait for thee to veil himself to introduce you to eternal flame and say, oh Lord, I'm sorry, or I promise I'ma be good, ignore my problems. I receive you, ain't no more commas. No drama, no baby mamas. So I walk through the valley of the shadows. I'm full of life cause the light that you passed on. Never had those doubts of faith because the harder times we got us past those. Past those. Past those.
Then I'm just taking my BH Cosmetic blush palette and buffing that on my cheeks. And I am contouring my nose. I am skipping contour on my perimeter and cheekbone area because the foundation was dark enough to create a contour after I highlighted.
I have a surprise for you guys. My highlighter is going to be something new. And honey, I'm here for it. Look what came in the mail today. So I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills and ABHxAmrezy collaboration, and it is her highlighter. I'm so excited about this. I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna lie, when I first saw that she had a highlighter, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited because she's the glow queen, right? And then the swatches came out, and I saw the dark skin swatch, the swatch on darker skin, and I was like, that might be a little too light for me. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna purchase it, but then being that I'm a Rezy rider till forever, till whenever, for whatever, I had decided, you know what, I'm just gonna buy it anyway, and I'll review it and see how I like it. And so, first of all, a little background. I've been following her, ABHxAmrezy, for about 5 years, and I just have always been like, yo, we're like best friends. She's my best friend right here. Right here. She's just like me. Here it is out of the box. This is, can you see that? Hopefully it's nice and focused for you guys. That is out of the box, and it's so pretty. It has Anastasia Beverly Hills up here, and of course it has the ABHxAmrezy name on it, and it's just like this beautiful rose gold packaging with black sleek compact. And then here it is open. Oh my gosh, can you see that? It is literally leaving a reflection across my floor, which is so ABHxAmrezy. It's so her. Alright, so without further ado, let us swatch this baby. So now I'm going to take this rose water, spray it on my M330 Morphe brush, and dip it in this highlighter. And now I'm going to turn to the side and get my perfect angle for my cheekbones. And then I'm just going to bruh. Are you kidding me? Bruh. Look at this. You guys.
Brown.
I'm shook, Demaya.
Mommy.
I'm shook.
Mommy, latest.
Look at this highlight, you guys. I am absolutely like
Mommy. Mommy, latest.
trying.
Mommy, latest pizza.
You don't care about no highlight. All you care about is pizza,
Mommy, latest pizza. I
honey.
like that. I like that pizza.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Well, pizzas are good. Mm.
You guys, look at this highlight. It's amazing right now. And it is everything I really would want. It's almost like second skin, and it's so buildable, smooth, not ashy and chalky. Like, I just want to put on the whole thing. I just want to bathe in it. This is so pretty, and I feel like it goes with my eyes perfectly. Look at that. Can't forget this side. Ooh, shorty. This is like without any, I haven't sprayed any setting spray anymore. Wow. I'm really living for this. You know what? To be real, I wouldn't expect anything less from Amra. Like, that's my girl. Like I said, me and her got the same taste. We like to do bomb things. You feel me? I'm just kidding. I'm not kidding. But yeah, this is really dope. Like, Amra, thank you. I don't have anything like this in my collection. I don't have anything that's like this. Or it's this like satiny champagne color. I don't have anything like that. And I'm so glad I do. And I could see this being so bomb with a certain like smoky eye. Any eye really. I could just see this being so bomb. And I'm just adding more. And I'm just loving this, you guys. Like, I know I keep putting this on, but you don't understand. You don't get it. I'm blinging with my ABHxAmrezy highlight. I just want to put, you guys, this is my last round, I promised. I'm not even going to put any more. I'm just put a little, you know. And now I'm just going to, real quick. Oh, gosh. It's so nice. Look at it.
Mommy. Mommy.
It's so nice. I'm sorry, Demaya. I'm not crying for real.
Mommy, I like this.
Ooh. So yeah, she really captured the hearts of every person around the world right now with this. This was like stellar. This was stellar, Amra. Thank you. Thank you once again, sis. Always. So yeah, I'm almost finished with this look. I'm gonna pop on some lashes. Which lashes should I wear?
And I just popped on my lashes really quick. If you guys would like a detailed review on how I do those, let me know in the comment section. And I will include a description about my mascara in the description box. But I am just putting that on my bottom lid and blending my lashes into my real lashes. And this is pretty self-explanatory. I am just lining my lips with my NYX pencil.
And here are those lips. And I got my Amrezy highlight. And I'm just feeling like super fabulous right now.
Yeah. Whoa. 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 Lift your hands, give God the praise now.
So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Comment, subscribe, share this video, you guys. I appreciate all the love so far. With this being like a new channel, I hope you guys are being patient with my editing and me learning how to speak into the camera, etc, etc. So it's just a learning curve, but it's so much fun. Like literally I look forward to doing these looks. Guys, if there's anything that you want to see, please let me know, and let me know what you think about the new Amrezy highlighter and also the Shameless foundation. What do you guys think? Alright, see you on my next video. As always, stay beautiful and stay blessed.